The I-10 Python programming classes. I'm learning I want to be able to program games, to find out what it's all about.
We do programming, we write different games. We've already written some, and now we're working on our third game. Well, for example, shooters or the classic Snake game. Right now we're making a game where there's a platform at the bottom and a ball bounces and it breaks blocks. All sorts of different modules. Now I can already write some small programs on my own.
The kids are active, I really enjoy it. It's very interesting to work with them. If we're not talking about games, then the language itself. The language itself, as I already mentioned, can be used in almost any area of life. Really, it's just from quickly calculating your homework on the computer to coming up with some amazing idea. You just go ahead, quickly write a program for yourself, and you have analytics, graphics, basically anything you want.
You write something, and there you go, something is already being created. Of course, I want to keep developing
Basically, everyone needs programmers, and I think that if I become a programmer, I can eventually build a successful career. Well,
and in the end, kids come here and not only gain new knowledge, but also make new friends. And that's cool too. I think that when you have a group of like-minded people with whom you can discuss things outside of class, that's cool, that's really cool.